Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about making money in 2022 with cryptocurrencies. If you're still struggling to make money online or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's get started with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that people invest in and use to buy things online. To buy coins or tokens of a certain kind of cryptocurrency, you trade real money like dollars for them. You trade your money for cryptocurrency, which you can use just like any regular money at places that accept it as a type of payment. The industry of cryptocurrencies is still in its early stages. As the prices of crypto assets go up, more people join the business. People who are new to cryptocurrency are always trying to figure out how to make money with it. There are many ways to make money with cryptocurrency, which is good news. Since 2011, the number of developers, the use of social media, and the number of startups in the cryptocurrency industry have all grown steadily. A proven way to get rich in cryptocurrencies. There are a lot of new people and fake experts who give bad advice in the crypto scene. This is your opportunity to learn from someone with over a decade of real world experience. I have already made some mistakes that cost me money, so you don't have to make the same ones and learn the hard way. I've seen many markets go up and down, and most importantly, I've made enough money to be able to retire comfortably in my 30s. Here are 5 ways to make money with cryptocurrency. 1. Investing. 2. Trading. 3. Staking and lending. 4. Airdrops and forks. And 5. Crypto social media pages. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.